tua ma le au nanga le mot tau sa mo service station nei tona I matu. Ma tau te utuina lo ta vale ma le tele o nisi o matu au nanga ese ese. Ai le ngata foi le ma tau te sia ke ina fo I lo ta vale. Siapa lah yang voice wow, mau lah ucapan. Afai foi vai pa olosa. Awala te pon, matu te siapa lah yang foi mau lah ucapan. Molo no posilafia. Mua tapela ucapan le pe out. Mua tapela o telefone ni tai me utu ina le ucapan. Male vaenga mulu. Mana tua fo e matua I fasaina lo tau maftapa ai no fuanga papengi Mata Samoa ore mata mo Samoa Mata te fia e au na pe mo o Samoa Maftaila fia mai we'll see you again God bless
Nila wana whailau whaakau. Ili tupele na mai ili talo wha-voucher. Nila wana whaakau maa mea te mga oi. Ili voucher. Tai fu isi o whanau li lapsi mai o le talo wha-voucher o mawai whaakau mane ai o leia so. Ia no whaat.
Talofa love everyone.
Hello.
Malole soy fua.
It's Friday.
It's Friday and we're so excited. Hang on, guys. I just need to adjust my bikini. Right now. Is that right? Because it's Friday, I've got my bikini on underneath my clothing, but that is what we're talking about today, is what is appropriate for your work.
And if you for those that didn't understand that joke, Google it.
Google it. It's not even about it. I'm just being serious. You know, is it right to judge someone's intelligence based on their clothing? Is it? Is it?
No. Because you think of some like very strong woman like Michelle Obama, her like fashion is on point. But she's one of the most intelligent women on this planet.
Yeah.
Are we going to be judging her because she wears like a beautiful dress?
Are we? But that's right. We are going to be talking a little bit about that here on BluTable Talanoa with your girl. It's Pea and Claudia. Look, today we're just going to do the week that was, and then we're going to go straight into the what is appropriate for work and what's the do's and the don'ts.
Yes.
Does it affect you because, what? Just because I'm Samoan, I can't wear a certain thing or a certain top, or just because Claudia is South American, does it then, I'm like, oh, it's okay.
So do you, let's touch on that point. Do you feel like because you are from Samoa that you are expected to dress a certain way?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is that way?
How
are you expected to dress?
All covered up.
Oh. But where's the fun in that?
Right now I'm wearing ripped jeans. It's a big no-no.
Yes, and that is why the camera is facing waist up, because we don't want to show those knees.
Don't want to show the knees. But yeah, it does kind of from time to time feel like, But, we're going to talk a little bit about that soon. Look, guys.
Hold on, guys. I am just getting a phone call. Just keep on talking.
So she's real rude right now. But anyways, so what I was just saying earlier on is, when it comes to the work attire thing, it does get a little bit confusing. Yep. And I'm confused. Double standards, right?
Guys, I don't know what's going on, but our show is actually getting cancelled. Just for today. So we have to wrap it up. Don't know why. We have to wrap it up because ET is on his way and he's actually going to be live with some breaking news. We actually don't know what it is just yet, but
stay tuned, everyone. Head over to ET Live and
I wonder what it is. Do you? Don't know. Maybe
Monday to Friday.
Maybe he's going to be showing us his bikini. Who knows? But we're going to be heading over to ET Live as well. Yeah. And so, stay tuned, guys. I am getting another phone call to wrap it up. Thank you so much.
Have a great weekend, everyone. God bless. We love you.
Bye.
It's Bikini Friday. Let's go.
Squad, baby. Rex, J Sands.
Let's go.
Oh, say I'm a say you are complete to me, I get you. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my Dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what y'all say. Yeah, don't move out in the come here. Yeah, they on the layout, oh, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say, I'm not in and not the bite to get out. Say,